Welcome back. This week is all about pixel art and how much fun we can have with it. We already did the TNT, and now let's jump into the creeper from Minecraft. We have so many options. It's so much fun. So what we need is make sure you've downloaded the pixel brushes from Bardo Brush. Link is in the description. Once you have that downloaded, open up your Procreate app, and we need a canvas that is 30 pixels by 30. If you already created this canvas, just tap on it. If not, click the plus button right here, 30 by 30, and don't forget to name your canvas. And let's get started. So we're gonna start off, open up my canvas, 30 by 30. Let's turn on our drawing guide. It should be automatically fit, but just in case if it's not, edit drawing guide. And we want to make sure our grid size is 1. Choose whatever color you'd like for your grid. Thickness is about 60 and about 30, but you can change that. No worries. Now that you've tapped done, let's grab a green color and a green color, and let's make the box for the face first. Let's try that. Okay. I'm using the soft pixel shader. You can use the soft pixel shader or the pixel painter. Both will work. And actually, we can just fill the entire page green. So let's do that first. Digipixel shader. Change your brush. And let's fill in this entire page. And I'm going to use a few different versions of green, like a darker green, medium green, a light green, just to give it some dimension. So there's my box. We're done with the green. Now I'll create a new layer for that face, for the eyes and the mouth. Grab my black color. I'm going to grab the soft pixel shader. I prefer to use that one, but both will work for this instance. And we need to draw two eyes that are about, they look like a squarish rectangle. So what about, let's try 5 boxes from the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's one eye. So we want them to be equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mine is 5 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Color that in. And then the nose or mouth. I'm going to be about that wide. But I'm thinking, you know what? I think I want my eyes to be just a tad bigger. So I'm just going to color that in. I think I like that better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So mine's 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 7 by 6. And now I'm going to erase these. And try that again. Now my nose is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it down about 3 or 4 pixels. And then about halfway of the eyes, make a line. And then bring it down. It almost looks like a mustache. So about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes up. Maybe to 5. Like so. So don't worry too much about counting pixels, because you can erase and add if it's too wonky looking. Look at that. We got our creeper face. Now I think it's, oops. I think it's a little bit too dark. So I'm going to go on the green layer. I'm going to grab that Dizzy shader again and grab like a really light green. And just tap a few spots. Just to lighten it up a bit. Okay, there's mine. I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave it. And just as a reminder, this canvas is 30 by 30. So if you tap on your wrench icon, canvas, canvas information, dimensions, 30 pixels by 30 pixels equals, in reality, 3 millimeters by 3 millimeters. So just to show you the example again, 3 millimeters is right there. That's what it's smaller than the fingernail. It is very, very tiny. 100 pixels by 100 pixels is about a fingernail width. So in order to save this and to print it, or maybe you want to send it to a friend, maybe you want to add it to your digital picture frame of your art, we need to bring up that size to 2550 pixels by 2550 pixels, which will be about 8.5 inches or 21 centimeters. That's this green line. We want it that big. Let's change that. In order to change that, we need to tap on the wrench icon, crop and resize. You want to tap on settings. And this is where we're going to change the page size. Make sure these are off. Page size 2550 by 2550. Once you have tapped that in, tap done, and then tap done. So that you can see how tiny it is. The reason my page is black is because I never turned off my drawing guide. So that grid of 1 pixel by 1 pixel. So that's why it looks black, because if you really zoom in, you can see that graph. But right now, let's turn that off. My tiny image is way down there. We need to select both of these layers. Tap the transform tool. My snapping is on uniform. Make sure it says nearest neighbor. And now I will do my best to grab a corner, bring it all the way up, and then once it fills the page, tap the transform tool again. And now our canvas is big enough to be able to share with a friend or to save it as a PNG. Beautiful. Awesome job. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The link to the brushes is in the description. Tag a friend, share this video with a friend. Maybe they'll also like to create this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.